The second issue is what I observe as the pattern of Chinese nationals in illegal mining.
Nako,
Kasi di ho ba?
totoo yan.
From 2023 ho kasi up to April 2026, there have been 11 raids which meted more than 70 Chinese nationals. So in 9 provinces. Are these, I don't think these are isolated incidents.
Nako.
Is DNR looking here at an organized nationwide operation? We'd like to know. Siguro naman iniimbestigahan nyo ito lagi. But you know, it started in 2023 and the latest is just this year, April 2026.
The DNR is going to submit a full report of all the operations we have conducted on illegal mining involving Chinese nationals in different regions, Mr. Chair. So marami na pong operations.
Can you also give us a list, Mr. Secretary, because we are very interested.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Dahil this is just a reminder, the extraction of natural resources is only reserved for Filipino citizens. Hindi yung nagpalit registration ka lang, binigyan mo niyo kaagad ng permit.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
May we have, because
we-
Congressman Ropos Rodriguez would like to see the list of the bona fide mining operators. We are very, very concerned about this, Mr. Secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So we will submit a full report both to the committee and to the good Congresswoman.
Kikita po natin, wala pang isang financier, wala pang isang sindikato na na-identify sa lahat ng kasong ito. Bagkus deportation lang ang mga nagiging sanction. But deportation is not accountability. Paulit-ulit lang po, ilang beses pa po na dapat mangyari ito bago tayo tuluyang mag-imbestiga ng masusi kung sino talaga ang mga nasa likod ng pag-employ o paggagamit ng mga Chinese nationals sa ating mga mining when it's absolutely prohibited under the Constitution.